If you've ever opened Chrome and seen the message, "This site can't be reached," don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This problem is usually caused by a bad DNS cache, a stuck Chrome network cache, a proxy issue, or a broken Winsock catalog on Windows. The good news is that all of these fixes are simple, and I'll walk you through each one clearly. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's jump in. The first fix is to flush your system DNS cache. Sometimes your computer stores outdated or corrupted information about websites, and that can cause Chrome to send you to the wrong place or stop loading pages completely. To do this on Windows, open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. When the black window opens, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Once that's done, close Command Prompt, restart Chrome, and try opening the website again. If the site still won't load, the next thing to do is clear Chrome's host cache. Chrome keeps its own internal network cache, and sometimes that cache gets stuck or outdated. In the Chrome address bar, type Chrome, net internals number DNS, and press Enter. On that page, find the button that says Clear Host Cache and click it once. After that, go to Chrome, Net Internals Number Sockets, and click Flush Socket Pools. This clears out old network connections and gives Chrome a fresh start. Now try loading the page again and see if the problem is gone. If you're still getting the same error, the next possible cause is a proxy setting interfering with your connection. Proxies can be useful in some cases, but if one is misconfigured, it can block Chrome from reaching websites properly. On your keyboard, press Windows key plus R, type in ncpl.cpl, and press Enter. This opens the Internet Options window. Click the Connections tab at the top, then select LAN Settings. In that window, uncheck the box that says Use a proxy server for your LAN. Then make sure the box for Automatically Detect Settings is checked. Click OK, then Apply, and close the window. After that, reopen Chrome and test the website again. If none of those fixes worked, the issue may be deeper in your network settings, and that's where resetting Winsock can help. Winsock is part of Windows that manages how your apps connect to the internet, and if it gets damaged, websites may stop loading across multiple browsers or apps. To reset it, open Command Prompt as administrator one more time. Type nets winsock reset and press Enter. After the command finishes, restart your computer completely. This is important because the reset only fully takes effect after a reboot. Once your PC comes back on, open Chrome again and try the website. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the "This site can't be reached" error right away. If the site loads now, that means the issue was most likely caused by a cache, proxy, or network adapter problem, and you've successfully fixed it. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick troubleshooting guides, Windows fixes, and Chrome tips. And if you want, check out the next video for more browser and internet repair solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.